Hello guys, in this tutorial we're gonna make a flag in Blender. Okay, so first of all let's create the mesh plane and rotate it in the x-axis 90 degrees and scale it in the x-axis by 2 and scale it in the z-axis a little bit like this. Okay, now we're gonna go to edit mode, subdivide by 30, and we're gonna close this a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna select this and we're gonna go to our object data properties and go to vertex group and make a group and select and assign. And this is our group. This will be useful in the future. Okay, so go to object mode and now we're gonna go to plane cloth and apply this cloth simulation. We can see that we have our flag, and if we press play, the flag falls because it's a simulation. So we are gonna go to the physics tab, and here in the physics tab we're gonna go from the beginning and say it's silk, our fabric, and we're gonna go to change the end to 3000 frames, and we're gonna go to pin group and we're gonna select the group that we did with the vertex. So now it should work. If we press play, yeah, it stay in the place because we have our pin group. You know, that's why it's important. So we're gonna self collision, the quality, go to 3. And now we're gonna need some wind, and for that we're gonna create a force field wind, rotated the y-axis 90, and it's gonna have to be really strong. So we're gonna go to the strain and go to like 500. And okay, so let's play it. It's not that strong, but what happens if we move a little bit our wing? It's still not so strong, so we select it and go more strength like this. Yeah, that's better. A little bit more. Okay, now we have a flag. The flow should be 10, maybe 6, like this. Yeah, and now we're gonna go again to our cloth, and if we go to our render, we don't have any light, so we're gonna go to the asset browser and we're gonna choose our studio light, and let's press pause, go to our flag and shade smooth, close the asset browser, go to the camera, and we don't have a camera. Okay, so we're gonna have to make a camera. Go to camera, and 90, 0, 0, and go back. Change to the camera, go back a little bit more. That's it, and play it. And there we have. Yeah, I'm finishing. Just wait a little bit. So now we can go to the materials, choose material, and we have our material for the flag, and our flag is moving. And just to finish this tutorial, we are gonna go to the cloth simulation and bake it. So we bake it. And that's it. That's how you make a flag in Blender. Really easy, really fast. Thank you so much. See you later.